Twirl me around the kitchen, Pinot Grigio for two. Love letters are written, live in a quaint little avenue. Candlelit apartment, everything sublime. I can't wait to meet you, my future love of mine. Tulips on the table, fingers intertwined. I'll smile and say I am grateful. You'll say that I'm divine. We stare in admiration until the end of time. I love you already, my future love of mine. Da-da-da, She called me on the phone last night. I could tell that something wasn't right. Silence followed by a heavy
If this sounds
sigh.
good, just say, add the cart.
Alexa,
Said these words and she began to cry. If I were you, I would really wanna kill myself too. At times I feel like I wanna end my life and drown in pills. He drifted into sorrow and pain. I never knew what I could say. To help him alleviate his ache. I wonder what goes on inside his head. If I were you, I would really wanna kill myself too.
I finally packed my car and I just set up the meter thing on my phone. Hope it works. I put in 2 hours because I just want to go to the bakery here and get tiramisu and some other things. But
Yeah. We can also make a
ooh, this looks delicious.
yeah, we can do that. And so would you like chocolate?
Chocolate. Go to the chocolate and like the same like those layers which you showed me before.
Okay.
You showed me the earlier cake you showed me.
8%. And so the siding is
Somewhere like that, or you show me these things like, or if you want to use something, show me another cake something like that. It's up to you. Okay. Just make it very good.
Oh, the lights over there seem to be working, so let's go.
However, I hear the best ones aren't around. But if you try, you know the dead ones don't back down. You shiver at midnight from the creaking sound of the cradle where your mother once laid you down. River, so the earth remains, but what remains is claimed by your boring. If I could have found you in time, maybe you'd be alright. Forever, I heard a murderer is in town. And if you try, you know these murderers don't back down. You shiver at midnight because the alley beside you has seizure declaring a young man died. River, so the earth remains, but what remains is claimed by your boring. If I could have warned you in time, maybe you'd still be fine.